Good morning, Robins and Rabbits. You've probably guessed that I've just filmed all 3 lessons in one hit, which is why I'm wearing the same clothes still. So we have been looking at the A sound then, and we have found 8 ways of writing the A sound. Hopefully you can see them on the board, and and I'm going to email some words to your parents for you to have up on the screen at home. So the last day today then is going to be sorting some of the A spellings that we have found. And if I just turn this over, I have emailed you a list of 20 words all containing A, and they're all contained in the 8 different spellings that we have been looking at in the last 2 days. Okay, so your job today is going to be to take all these spellings. First of all, try and read the word. If you wanted to print them out, you could underline the A spelling, or as you write them out, you could underline the A spelling. And you are going to add these words into the correct one. So I'm going to do one example for you so you know what I mean. So if I take the word, hopefully you can see me still, chain, okay? So if I take the word chain, straight away I can see the A sound is A-I. So I'm going to have, and you'll need to do this in your workbooks, I'm going to have all my 8 spellings of A, and then I'm just going to add in the word chain to the correct spelling, and I've already identified that it's this spelling of A. So then I would write underneath A, and I would underline the A spelling, okay? So you have 20 words to do this with today. Ooh. And you're going to have a go at reading them and putting them into the right A spelling. Some of you might finish that really quickly, and your job is going to be, can you find some other words to add to your list? Are there any you don't? Are there any you think, actually, I could add a better word than that, or I could add... And there are a couple words on here, actually, I think some of you won't know the meaning of. Okay, so there might be a couple words that you might have to ask a grown-up, or you might, sometimes when I don't know what a word means, I Google it just to find out the definition if you haven't got a dictionary at home. Okay, so you can have a look at all of those words, and I would say, and then try and add a few of your own. Hopefully that makes sense for today. And then tomorrow we're going to move on to looking at E. Okay, so we've had 3 days on A now, and then we're going to move on to E. There is no reading with today's phonics activity. So if some of you are finishing off from yesterday, you can finish that, or you can read your Read, Write, Ink book, or you can go onto Myon and read an online book. Remember, you can change your Read, Write, Ink books as often as you like, okay? Because you could always bring them to the school office and we can swap them over, okay? Miss Garachi and I are at school every day, so we'll be able to do that for you. Okay, have a good day.